Right, so this is the HU101 lock, the Ford lock from the last video. So I'm going to show you how to decode it now. It's open. I've just picked it. I just picked it the same way as yesterday on the video, and now I'm going to show you how to decode it. So instead of looking at these vertical lines, the 1 to 10, we're going to be looking at these lines, the ones that run right across. So numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the numbers going down, and the lines are going horizontal, is it? Yeah, the lines are going across horizontal. So I'm going to tell you now how to do it. So we're going to press on number 1 up is stopping on number 5. So that's a 5. I'm going to move to number 2 is that's a 4. Now number 3 and 4 are obviously going to be down now. So number 3 is going to be a 4. So it's always springs on it. Number 4 is a 5, 4, 3, 2. It's a 2, see? Springing on the 2. So that's how you're going to do it all the way along. And then you're going to go, look, number 5 is going to be a definite 1. Number 6 is a 1 as well. And then we go to 7. 7's a 3. It always has to go just over the line to be able to say it's definitely that number. So it always goes just over. So number 5, 4. So that's going to be a 1, 2, 3. And then 1, and then it always ends in a 2 on a Ford. So it's very rare it doesn't end in a 2, but I have had them ending in a 1, but they usually always end in a 2. So that's how you read and get your key number. It's that simple, guys. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.